falling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another 2 DIY projects. I'm taking on 2 very girly bling perfume bottles. I hope you enjoy. When I start a project, I always like to shop my own home. I like to find things that I could reuse or repurpose. This pink gift box I already had, along with a smaller gift box. And then I went to my pantry guys and tried to find something that was the right shape and size for the top of the bottle. I then took this beautiful mirrored like silver spray paint and I spray painted all 3 boxes. I came across these adhesive mirrors at my local dollar store the other day and I stocked up on them because I knew they'd be perfect for DIY projects. They were already pre-pasted where you just remove the tape from the back. I then printed out my Shell number 5 logo and I printed it out in the smallest size that my printer could do. And my plan was to attach this to the front of the mirror. Once the boxes were dry, I then glued the mirror to the centre of the largest box. And taking these beautiful crystal gems that I picked up from Spotlight, I hot glued these over the entire larger box, all randomly. Once I'd finished the front, I then started on the left and right hand side. For that heartbreak. Once it was all complete, I then took another one of those adhesive mirrors and I glued it to the top of the box. I then took some of this beautiful bling wrap that I picked up from Spotlight and taking that smaller box, what I did here was just hot glue strips around until the box was completely covered. I then took that second larger box, which is the top of our bottle, and taking another one of those mirrors, I positioned it on the top. Turning it on its side, I then took some more of that beautiful bling wrap and I positioned it around the box. I then took some of these beautiful crystal gem strips that I picked up from my local dollar store and I added them around the top of the mirror. Once it was complete, I then took those strips once again and around the middle of the bottle, I added them to the top. And off camera, I also added them around the Chanel logo and mirror. And here is my very glamorous bling perfume bottle.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh. you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart.
I then moved on to my second DIY. I took this dollar store canvas and took it outside and spray painted it my favourite blush candy pink by Rust-Oleum. I then took this little gift box and I freehanded here what I thought the top of a perfume bottle would look like. So I'm just cutting out the cardboard. Off camera, I spray painted this silver and I hot glued down the back pieces of the cardboard. This is going to make the top of our bottle. I then took some of this dollar store bling wrap and taking the top of the bottle, I then hot glued everything in place. Once that was all complete, I then took a piece of silver glitter paper that I picked up from Spotlight. So taking that glitter paper, I then turned it over and taking a pen, I basically just freehanded the shape of the bottom of a vase. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, and then taking your scissors, you're going to cut it out. And at the top, I did round curved edges. I then hot glued that to the top of my canvas. And taking another one of those dollar store mirrors, I secured it into the middle. I then printed out a Miss Shell logo and I added it to the centre. I then took those bling strips once again and made a frame around the mirror as well as the Miss Shell logo. I then took a dollar store JoJo inspired bow, and after hot gluing the lid to the top, I then took the little clip and secured it in front of the lid. Off camera, I added a beautiful rhinestone brooch to the centre of the bow. And here is my Miss Shell gorgeous little perfume bottle. I absolutely love how this came. I love taking things like something as simple as a small canvas and making it into something that gives an illusion of something completely different. These pretty girly DIYs would make such a wonderful gift idea. They would certainly make a beautiful table centerpiece at a birthday party. The thing I love most about creating these DIYs for you is how inexpensive they were. I also love that I can give you the idea of personalising this item for yourself or for somebody as a gift. I've had so many lovely requests from you asking me to recreate new perfume bottles. So I put my thinking cap on and I so wanted to bring you something that was very sparkly and very glam. And I love how these two projects came to light. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own DIY Glam Bling perfume bottle. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we're dancing. I'm taking my chances.